Hi, Dieter with Face Off E-Bikes. Going to talk about braking in your brakes. A lot of people talk about when their brakes start to make noise, loud noises, especially when they get wet or during the hunting season. So the way to properly brake in your brakes and rotors, first step when you get your bike, you're going to want to take alcohol and clean off the rotor. The number one cause of the noise is oil on the rotor, whether that's from somebody's fingers or from oil on the chain or anything else. So you want to clean your rotors, and then what you do is you take the bike about 10 times. You want to get up to full speed, engage the brakes, but never come to a full stop. When you come to a full stop, you're basically going to deposit a large glob of that brake pad. So you want to not come to a full stop, but fully engage the brakes, break those brakes in so you don't have to deal with any noise